Hello, friends. Welcome to AQIS YouTube channel. This session is another episode of our daily current affairs series. In today's session, we'll discuss about the recently held meeting of BRICS industry ministers. So, in this meeting, India's efforts of channelizing technology were highlighted, and India was praised heavily for its role during COVID-19 pandemic. They mentioned about COVID app and digital vaccination certificates. See, you have to understand that India's focus has been on smart and good governance. And for that, India has been utilizing existing platforms and we have built a smart ecosystem. So we are using a digital Aadhaar card, we are using UPI payments to ensure delivery of critical services to the last mile. Now, these ministers expressed their desire to expand the horizon of National Development Bank. Now, you have to understand that National Development Bank has been focusing on industrial sector. So, this has been the prominent agenda of National Development Bank. Now, these ministers they have expressed the intention to expand the wings of National Development Bank. They are saying that now this bank should be focusing on social infrastructure. So, from the prelims perspective, we'll try to know about National Development Bank. So, it was formed in 2014. Although the idea to form National Development Bank it was mooted in 2012. But this idea it was formalized in 2014. So just remember this fact that this treaty came into effect in 2014. Now it is a development bank of BRICS nations. Okay. So this grouping it comprises of Brazil, Russia, India, China and South Africa. You should know the names of these countries. Now, as I said, it is a development bank. And the purpose of this bank is to fund the sustainable projects of BRICS nations as well as developing countries. So you have to understand here that area of operation of this bank is not confined within the BRICS. Rather, it seeks to fund other developing countries also. But the focus is on sustainable projects and infrastructure. Now, this bank NDB it achieved the status of observer by United Nations General Assembly. So you must know about this development that in 2018 it achieved the status of observer. Now, let's talk about the governance of this National Development Bank. Now, this bank it is governed by a board of governors, and these governors are finance ministers of BRICS. Now, as far as the voting power is concerned, it depends upon the shareholding. Just remember this point that shareholding decides the voting power of the member. So these are some important facts about NDB. Just remember it came into effect, this treaty to form NDB, it came into effect in 2014, although idea was mooted in 2012. And about remember about the shareholding, that shareholding decides the voting power. So it seeks to fund the projects of BRICS nations. However, it is ready to fund other developing countries also. One more fact you must note here that it seeks to complement the other multilateral financial institutions like World Bank and IMF. So it does not seeks to challenge them, rather it seeks to support them or complement them. So these facts are important from prelims perspective, and you can download these notes for revising before your upcoming prelims. And if you have liked our initiative, you can subscribe our YouTube channel for more such videos. You can follow us on social media platforms for daily current affairs content. So that's all for today's session. I'll see you in the next video soon. Thank you very much.